Welcome back programmers. In the today's algorithm video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create the bubble sort using Python. So what is bubble sort? Bubble sort is the method of sorting, and this is the good practice in data structure, and many companies ask this question in interview. So remember, this is important. So let's say we got array 1. In the array 1 we got a value. This is the random value, and we want to convert this value in the ascending order. So the simplest theory of bubble sort is we are checking each of value. Let's say you can see the first index is 0. It means in the 0 index we got 8, in the first index we got 2. And remember, index start from 0. So let's say we can see here we got 8, 2, 6, 1, 2 and 9. We are checking is 8 is greater than 2. Yes. So we are gonna swap this and this value. So now you can see 2 is here and 8 is here. Now again we are gonna check 8 is greater than 6 and so on. So we are gonna swap this value if index of 0 is greater than index of 0 plus 1. So let's implement. First let's create the n, and before creating n, let's create the function for bubble sort, and in the function we are gonna pass the list. So let's pass ar1, or you can say arr, which means array. Now we got n equal to length of array. Now we are gonna take a to loop. Now if you are thinking why we got to loop, because one is for fetch all of the data and the second one is for swapping. So we are gonna take for I in the range of n, it means I in range of 6 because we got only 6 value in here, and then again second loop for j in range of n minus 1, which means 6 minus 1, it means 5. Now we are gonna check if j of 0, it means j of 8, you can see this is 8 is greater than 2. Let's try. If j of 0 is greater than j of 1, so we are gonna swap this value 8 into 2 and 2 into 8. You can see this is the logic of swapping. Now that's it. That's the logic of bubble sort. But we are just swapping these two value. What if we want to check all of this value and swap if this is greater than the bigger value? And for that, just pass the j in here because j is the range. It means j is gonna go to the 0 to n. Okay, now let's just call this function, but first let's return the list. Then I just call the bubble sort function and pass the array1, and I just store all of this value in the sort. Let's print the sort. Oops, I got problem in here because we have to pass the arr, not j. Now you can see the logic. If arr of j, it means if arr of 0, which means 8 is greater than arr of j plus 1, which is 2. So we are gonna swap the value, and that's the basic laws of the sorting. And you can see we got 1 2 2 6 8 9. Now let's change the value. Let's try 8 2 4 1 9 and so on. So now whenever I'm gonna run this, you see we got 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 9. So that's how you can create the bubble sort, and that's sort my bad because I just add the j in place of arr. So that is it for today's guys. In the next video I'm gonna show you how to create searching method in Python. So that is it for today's guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code. Thank you.